What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this outlet extender or wall outlet extender, whatever you want to call it. All right. This is the extenders that everybody use when they need more plugs and all of that stuff. So in our bathroom, I only have 2 outlets, and we do stuff like charge our phone. Y'all know my head shaver. My head shaver need charging. Other shavers and stuff need charging. My wife uses stuff that needs charging. Electrical toothbrushes, they need charging. Everything needs to be charged. And our electric bill is going crazy. If you're in Maryland, our electric bill is insanity. Okay, this thing do have a smart night light. That is the thing that attracted me to this one the most. USB and USB Type-C. So there you go right there. All right. And it says in the description that it's fast charge, outlet here, outlet there, outlet, 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 and that's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 USB regular and 1 USB Type-C. I'm going to hook this up and we will review the night light and how that works. And we will finalize the review. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys. So like I said, we have like electrical toothbrush and clippers and all types of stuff that's hooked up, and we need more stuff hooked up. And if you want to, you can take this plate off. All right, you can take this plate off, and they have right here where you can actually screw it on. Or you can just go ahead and put it on. Just make sure you match up where you need to go. You see that? So put it in just like you hooking up something, and the green light is on. So what we're going to do is go ahead, plug up our stuff. And sorry, you guys, I'm left-handed on y'all right now. All right. And there we go. So we have those plugged up, and if you want to hook up, you know, battery power clippers right there. So there you go. And if she want to use her phone, hook up more things, you know, charge up more things, there you go. So this is pretty cool, you guys. And once again, I did not need to take this off or all of that stuff. The green light indicator is on. And the last cool part is turning off the light. So let's check it out. So the light is off. Okay. So I had to touch the top part right here. All right. So let me turn off. Let me turn the lights back on real quick. So the lights on. Now I'm gonna turn the lights off. Okay, so now it stays on that mode now. All right, and I have to say that it lights up pretty bright. Not all the way bright, so you can't really see my toilet. My toilet is over here, so it's obviously dark for that. But if you need the night light for maybe like, you know, just washing your face or something, and that will probably be good. But this night light will not shine up your whole bathroom. Yeah, this night light is not like really, really bright, and there's no other way to adjust this. All right, that's me tapping the top, you guys, sorry. All right, so that's as bright as it's going to get, all right? And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.